Hello, I'm Alex from BSC Designer. Continuous innovation is a key factor in the long-term success of any company. When managing innovation, we typically face two challenges. One, managing high-level innovation strategy, and two, managing innovation at an operational level or handling a portfolio of innovations. In BSC Designer, we provide two templates to address these challenges. The Innovations KPI and Strategy Map template helps you to set up an overall strategy for innovation. The Innovation Portfolio template helps you to track specific innovations at the operational level. Let's take a quick look at how to use these templates. We'll start with the template for innovation strategy. I'll create it using some sample data. When you use it for your company, uncheck the Add Sample Data checkbox if you prefer the blank template without any pre-filled data. Like other strategy templates, this one is built on the Balance of Scorecard concept. It includes 4 perspectives, and within each perspective you'll find some goals. These goals are quantified with the performance indicators, and for some, action plans are also suggested. The goals from the template are automatically displayed on the strategy map. Here is an overview of the goals that make up this innovation strategy. The goals related to training the team, establishing innovation pipeline, creating value for internal and external stakeholders, and finally achieving financial expectations. I can also switch to the Dashboard tab, which shows charts for key innovation metrics, particularly those related to creating and maintaining an innovative environment. From here, you can further develop this strategy scorecard by adding more goals, more KPIs, more initiatives, more risks, cascading it into other scorecards, aligning with the stakeholders, and analyzing external factors. More specific guides on developing and implementing strategy with BSC Designer are available on our website. Now, let's explore how to track specific innovations. I'll create a new scorecard using the Innovation Portfolio template. Here I have some sample innovations grouped into categories based on their status: discussion, validation, implementation, and scaling. If I need to register a new innovation, I can simply copy and paste a template and start filling it in with relevant data. Let's take a look at existing examples of innovations. Here is one, the implementation of AI. I can view it on the map and switch to the KPIs tab for more details. This innovation includes 2 action plans and some login indicators. In this case, we track the progress of the innovation using the implementation progress metric. We also track the value we expect to deliver to stakeholders with these 2 metrics: % of successfully completed charts and % of incorrect or misleading answers. Additionally, we monitor the cost saving from AI implementation over time. In this example, I can see that a saving of 40,000 was achieved. Another registered innovation is reduce complexity of customer service, currently in the validation stage. It has different set of indicators to track execution. including a leading indicator like percentage of touch points analyzed and percentage of information retrieved automatically. For this innovation, we've also mapped a risk indicator, which helps us better understand the business context we are operating in. As we work on these innovations, we will update KPIs, comment on progress, upload relevant documents, and more. All these features are explained in detail in other video tutorial. Let's switch to the Dashboard tab. It's configured to display ongoing initiatives that are in the discussion and validation stages. There is also a Gantt chart automatically generated from the initiatives within the registered innovations. You can customize this dashboard to suit your needs. Now, let's see how we can connect specific innovations from the Innovation Portfolio Scorecard to the Strategy Scorecard we started with. To do this, I will need to have two scorecards open in different tabs. I copy and paste the cost-saving metric from the Portfolio Scorecard to the cost-optimized metric in the Strategy Scorecard. When prompted, I'll select the Connect by Data option. I'll repeat the steps for cost avoidance and paste it into costs optimized. Now I have the cost-saving metrics from the portfolio linked to this Strategy Scorecard. I'll change the calculation method for the cost optimized from average to sum, so I can see the total saving achieved by implementing two innovations. To summarize, we've created a Strategy Scorecard for innovations, which can serve as a starting point for designing your company's innovation strategy and environment. We've created an innovation portfolio to track specific innovations using progress metrics, stakeholder value metrics, risk indicators, and action plans. And we have used cost avoidance metrics to align innovations from the portfolio with the overall cost-saving indicator. You can sign up for a free account on BSC Designer to try this approach in practice. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.